If you're still doing everything manually as a business analyst in 2026, you might be falling behind. Let's fix that, right now. The future of business analysis isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. And in this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can save you hours every single week, automate repetitive tasks, and help you focus on what truly matters, solving problems, and creating impact. Let's dive in. First up, ChatGPT. This one has completely changed the way business analysts handle requirements. Instead of staring at a blank document, you can now take your meeting notes or rough ideas and instantly turn them into polished user stories and acceptance criteria. You can even ask ChatGPT to write test cases or stakeholder communications. It's like having a digital assistant who speaks the language of business analysis, clear, fast, and reliable. Next, Notion AI. If you've ever felt buried under documentation, this one's your best friend. Notion AI can summarize meeting transcripts, generate process documents, and even draft reports automatically. It keeps everything structured and professional, so you spend less time typing and more time thinking critically about your project goals. Now, let's talk about Miro AI. This tool turns brainstorming chaos into clarity. Just describe your process, and Miro AI builds intelligent, visual maps in seconds. Whether you're mapping a new workflow or refining an old one, it helps you see connections instantly and collaborate better with your team. It's like turning your ideas into beautiful, shareable diagrams effortlessly. Up next, Power BI Copilot. Data can feel overwhelming, but not anymore. With Power BI Copilot, you can simply ask, "Show me sales trends by region," or "Highlight key performance gaps." And just like that, your dashboard comes to life. No complex formulas, no data wrangling, just insights at your fingertips. It turns every business analyst into a confident storyteller, backed by data. And finally, Grammarly and Hemingway. These two might sound simple, but they're your secret weapons for professional communication. They refine your writing, simplify complex sentences, and make sure your message lands clearly. Because even the best analysis can lose impact if it's not communicated effectively. When your words are clear, your insights shine. Now, here's something to think about. AI isn't replacing business analysts, it's empowering them. The best BAs in 2026 aren't afraid of AI. They're the ones mastering it. They're using it to work smarter, deliver faster, and focus on the bigger picture. If you start embracing these tools today, you're not just keeping up, you're leading the transformation. And if you're ready to apply AI the right way, here's your next step. You need a strong foundation in business analysis, and that's where CBAP certification comes in. The best part, you can start learning for free, right here on this channel. Check out the free CBAP certification training playlist in the description. It's packed with real-world examples, BABOK concepts, and practical lessons to help you grow faster and become a confident, certified business analyst. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel reach more aspiring analysts just like you. And tell me in the comments, which AI tool are you most excited to try first? Work smarter, lead with AI. And I'll see you in the next video.